Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on gold. Yeah, what am I expecting on gold? If you watched my previous analysis on gold, I said I was expecting gold to push to the upside, and I had different scenarios. Right, I think gold was around this area right here, and I had this counter trend line. I said for us to buy on gold, we have two scenarios because currently we rejected off of my 50% fib level. So there's a possibility that because we rejected around that area, we might just continue to push to the upside, and this right here would be my target to be 2062. That is my fourth scenario. And I said there's another scenario because we were currently around this trend line right here. So there's a possibility that we might push down a little bit to fill this breakup structure, which aligns with my 78.6% fib level, before we continue to push to the upside, because overall I knew the market was an uptrend, right? So that was like my both scenarios that I was looking at. But as you can see, that the markets got to my TP1 and TP2 right around this area. So to take this trade, we'll have just adjusted this right here to see, so we can see that it didn't just break the trend line right here and continue, right? We saw this break of structure right here. It came back to retest the imbalance, which is around this area right here. There's an imbalance right here that it came to retest. You can see right here an imbalance right here. It came to retest and resume to the upside. So that was a beautiful trade right here, and we can see that we got to my first target, which is 2062, and we are currently around my second target, which is 2070.27. That was my thought. Then we can still see that we are having more momentum on buy, so there's a possibility that we might just get to my 2060.76, I mean. So but right now, let's delete my previous analysis and we analyze right now based on the current price market. So let me go to a bigger time frame. Let's go to a daily time frame to see like the overall picture of the market. So I'm still seeing more momentum of a buy on let's see, this is a significant area on the bigger time frame because this is the highest we have been so far right here. So I'm just gonna draw a zone right here just to show that this is a crucial area right here, and anything can possibly happen because we can see that we're around this area right here and there were rejections. We came here, there was rejection, we came here, there was rejection, and we are currently around that area, so there's a possibility for a rejection as well. So for us to see more momentum of a buy on gold right now, let us see a break of structure around that previous high. Let's see a break of structure around the previous high, retest and give us some sort of like a continuation move to push to the upside. Then we'll probably rally up to 2130. That will be my next target if we are going bullish, right? So let's delete this one as well. So because of right now we are currently around my negative 27% fib level, and we are also around a previous high zone, there's a possibility for like I see a possibility of it at least pushing down a little bit before we now know our next move. So that's a daily imbalance right here. So I see it pushing down. If you push down, that will be like a next target for me to look for before we now know what will happen. But I think because we are currently around my negative 27% fib level is a reversal level, there's a possibility that we might push to continue to the downside. So this will be my first scenario because we are almost around my 61.8% fib level, which is around this area right here, and it was 2070. So we might actually get to that level before we start rejecting. So let's see. So I think we might just continue to kindly push around that area right here, then push to this down right here. So that is my thoughts right now on that's my thoughts right now on gold, guys. So let's see how it goes. But if you're gonna buy on gold, right, we want something like this, a possible retest then push to the upside, right? But right now I'm seeing more of a, at least a sell, maybe like a retracement sell or something, before we now continue on our main trend. So let's see how the market plays around this area, then that will determine if you're going to continue to push to the upside or reject to the downside. But my bias is more of a sell right now to at least this previous imbalance right here, which we'll see for like a retest right here before we now see either pushing to the upside or breaking structures and continue to push the downside, depending on how it reacts around this area right here. So those are my two scenarios on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.